Alright, this is to give you an example of what this little kitten's all about, and we're gonna go meet her. Still a touch skittish, but coming up more and being more friendly now that she's eaten a little bit. Hey, little. An interesting pattern. Very pretty little cat. Not sure where it came from. Not sure where it's going. Let me handle her now. Healthy enough to jump around. Hey. Still a little curious about some things, still a little scared about others. Very audible. Would make a good indoor cat, I think. Come here. Really starting to get lovey and just doesn't want to spend any time outside anymore. So that's the gist of it. And doesn't have a name yet, so. Look here. Look at that. Okay, she's just a purring.